Yo, I am back. What it do? Alrighty, so I'm gonna give you guys a little update. What's been going on? I've been down and out, kind of sick. No Rona, but I've been sick for a couple weeks. So I'm back at it. I've been back at it since last Friday, and just want to give you guys a update of what's going on with the Jeep, with the CTS. The Jeep, nothing really too much about it. This weekend I drove it for a while, and I blew the struts out. I hit a bump from, I don't know, it was probably a million quadrillion feet high, and blew the driver's side. And so I picked up some new ones. I got them in already. It is sitting up a little bit higher and a lot better for the size wheels I have. So it used to sit about this far down, which I think that was probably the problem from the beginning. So I don't know if you guys can see back up in there, but those are the new coilovers I got in there, and those seem to be working pretty good. I drove it just a little bit today. Other than that, it's good to go. As in for the CTS V, well, it's not a V, it's more like a CTS B. They ain't grown up yet, but I can give you guys a little preview on that. So let me give you a little backstory on it. One morning I just couldn't sleep, so I came out here probably about 4 o'clock in the morning, and at that time it was really dark, and I just started working on it. I filmed a little bit of it, which you will see in this video, of me actually painting it, just a little bit. For some reason my GoPro, it just had enough of the heat and it just shut off. It actually overheated, which happened to me before. So let me pull off the cover here a little bit so you guys can see, the ones that's been following me. Now I did cut and buff a little bit of it, but I still have a lot more to go. I got the hood and the passenger side to go. So let me just give you guys a showing here. Turn it around, and there we go, right there. So blacked out the grill, got all that done. Actually, everything that you see here, I got it done in one day. From about it was probably like exactly 4:35 in the morning to about 11:45 in the afternoon. Let me get the back here off a little bit. I should have pulled all this off for you. Sorry about that, guys. Man, it's dusty under there too. I haven't touched it in a few days, but yeah, this is the color. It's like it is like a silver green, depending on when you look at it. From one angle you look at it, it looks silver. From one angle you look at it, it looks kind of green. I call it platinum green. It's a custom color, so this won't be on any other car. The downside to that, if I run out of paint and get a scratch or damage or anything, I have to repaint the whole car. Yes. So last Thursday I had picked up wheels and tires. The guy had them brand new off his Cadillac, and he had to, now he told me that the Cadillac had to be returned for some reason. I think it probably was a lease or something, but I'm not sure. But I have 20 by 8.5 in the front, and then the rear I have 20 10 by 5s, I believe. So they do poke out just a little bit, which is fine. But when I lower it, and I'm gonna lower it probably like 2.5 inches, so it's gonna be tucked under there pretty good. It's gonna drop down a lot. And some of the other part, I need a new windshield, and basically start putting it back together. I did paint the top black, but I haven't wet sanded or done anything to it. It's I have bad luck with bad paint, black paint. I can't never get it right. That's probably why I never repainted my truck bumper, because it needs to be repainted and stuff. But I never done that. I have painted black before. I just don't like it. It is a hard color to paint, kind of crazy. But I did replace the headlights, and other than that, I should have it done, maybe mostly done by next week. Do the handles and all that stuff, and then I'm having a guy come out and replace the windshield, because I had the windshield in the Jeep also replaced last week. He came out and replaced it in like 30 minutes, and the dude was fast. Other than that, once I get that done, I'm gonna start building the engine. Well, the short end is built. Probably I need to film that or give you guys some pictures, but I have that built mostly. And right now, let me show you guys here. It's a little bit dark, and what I do is ceramic coat my own parts and stuff. So I'm about to do these hot side for the turbo housing. It's gonna be just like, I don't know, like chrome like look. So what I do, I blast it in the blasting cabinet, then I go to the back to the paint booth slash corner slash backyard, and paint it there, and then I bring it up over here and stick it in this little oven at 500 degrees for an hour, and that's it. So I got this one to do. I have another one. This one is like this. I put stuff all on it to try to get it to soak up all of. Even though it wasn't they brand new, they still had grease from shipping and stuff. So I'm trying to get all that stuff burnt off, because that's actually like some kind of grease that they put on it to when they shipping it. The other thing is sorry to talk you guys' ear off. I just want to put you up to date. I haven't done the side skirts or the back bumper. They do need a lot more work. I haven't got around to doing those because they have to be primed, sanded down, primed again, and then sealed and then painted. So I don't know when I'm gonna do that. And I also need to replace the engine cradle, because the engine cradle was damaged, because this car was wrecked on the driver's side, and I guess it must have hit up on something, because the front of the cradle where the radiator stuff is, it's all bent up and broke. Not some of it's broken and has cracks in it. So I just want to replace the whole thing. I could just whop that part off, but I'm not sure if anything else is tweaked. So I'm gonna go ahead and just replace that. It's not very expensive. I have found them for like $200-300 for an aluminum engine cradle, and the CTS-V and the CTS engine cradles are about the same. They changed it to steel on the newer CTS-V, like the 3rd gen, I believe, that they changed it to like a steel. And some people have modified them to work on this car. I don't know if I'm gonna do that or not, because I don't like the way it looks. I like the aluminum one. Other than that, I guess I get back to the turbos there, the hot side. I'm going to get those done, and so I can start doing the twin turbo kit on here. But I'm still debating if I want to do the twin turbo kit, or if I want to, even though I have the turbos and stuff, and I have blow off valves and wastegates and all that stuff and lines, I'm not sure if I still want to do that or not. It is easier to go with the supercharger, so I may go with the LSA supercharger and probably get it ported, because the engine is built and it'll handle up to about, I think about 16 or 1800 horsepower, but I won't get nowhere near that. I'll be happy with 800 to 1000. Most likely it will probably be around 800 at the wheels, and so I could get away with that with a supercharger. But until then, I will bring you guys back on. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe. Also, and I will probably film some more of wet sanding, putting this back together, because I just want to get something out there, because I haven't put a video out in a while, and I was doing a video once a week, so I'm gonna get back to that. I don't have anything left on the Jeep, so I'm gonna stay on the CTS, and then also after I get some of the CTS, most of the CTS done, I'm gonna start on my 70 Roadrunner, putting a headliner and carpet, maybe redoing the seat. I will be redoing the seat, so I'll probably bring you guys along with that and order some more parts. It's just that car is way more expensive to put together than any car I have. so until then, see you guys later.